Hey guys, so in this video we will learn about what is LangChain and how we can install it. Okay, so LangChain is a way to give the LLM the latest data, or you want to give your own data and want to get some output, right? So let's take an example. You have a very big data set, okay, and you want to get some answers from it for of your questions. So how you can do that? So if you go to OpenAI and you try it, you're not able to get your desired output because you are not able to connect database, right? So to solve this issue, we have LangChain that connects your database or your files, your links, okay, and based on that, it gives it creates a vector data of your data, right? And from that data, it take out all the embedding similar data that is there from the whole data based on the question that you asked, okay? And from that embedding, it gives that closer data or embedding data to OpenAI to give you the desired output, the one that you are asking for. Okay, so this is a whole the LangChain is. Okay, and now let's create a repository. LangChain learn LangChain. Okay, go to your repository. Okay, now I'm adding it to the poetry. So poetry initiate to initiate the poetry add LangChain. So it will add LangChain to my poetry. Okay, here you will see in a minute. Okay, it's done and you can see it over here. So this is the way how you can install LangChain in your environment. So if you have Conda, pip install LangChain is what you need to do, and it will install the needed thing for you. Okay. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we will learn about how we can create and connect with OpenAI using LangChain.